LEORON, boosting competitiveness. Built on the foundations of the international expansion of the Swedish manufacturing sector during the 90s, today we've grown into one of the leading talent management companies in the world. Our mission is to boost the competitiveness of our clients worldwide by improving the competency levels of their employees through top quality training and development solutions. Strategically distributed across prominent international locations such as Dubai, London, Yan Shopping, Riyadh, Accra, and Almaty, our team of global experts delivers over 500 courses annually. Our training programs offer a comprehensive suite of knowledge that is accredited by relevant industry institutions. Through powerful content, gamification, and applied learning, our program offers a great way of building professional skills and competencies.
We offer training and development solutions in all strategic corporate functions, including corporate finance, HR, supply chain, operations, engineering, and quality.
Over 10,000 professionals have benefited from our programs and HR solutions in a wide range of industries across the world.
I was very excited to have met professionals from around the world with whom I could share knowledge and experience.
An excellent experience for me, and the trainer was one of the best I have ever met.
LEORON, boosting competitiveness.